Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in as always. And in this video, I'm going to be working on this amazing machine. It's a 1992 Mercedes 500 SEL V8. And today I have to replace the oil pan on it. And at the same time, I'm going to do the oil pan gasket. The oil pan is dented in, which is really bad and not good. And I'm just hoping that the oil pickup is okay on this car. So but I still have to go ahead and get this job done, and I'll walk you through on how to do this. It's a little bit of a challenge on W140s with the V8 because the front of the oil pan is like you can't get to the oil pan bolts that easy in the front. So you kind of like I'm gonna show you the method that I use to remove those bolts. That I'm gonna be using that, and this is a used oil pan that actually got from the salvage yard. It's not in the best shape, but it's not dented in, and I painted this thing a little bit, to make it look better. Yeah, I had to grind some of. There was a little bit of surface rust right here. Not a big deal, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace this oil pan and the gasket, and also gonna use a little bit of RTV both sides of the gasket to prevent any possible leakage. Brand new oil filter as well. So this is the setup. I have this supported the oil pan and I already started loosening these bolts. The reason you need to lift it up is because there's literally no space in between the subframe and the oil pan, and you can't really get to those bolts from here. That's why you have to do it this way. So to get to those front bolts, you can either shorten your Allen key. After you lift up the engine a little, you can shorten your Allen key and then get to those bolts easy. Or I use this method right here, the vice grip and this 5mm Allen bit. Don't make a mess like I did. I'm gonna go ahead lift up this engine a little more. Get some extra access. When you loosen these front bolts, you might be able to get a, kind of put one hand right here, one hand right here, and just spin it out by hand. And if the bolt gets stuck or gets tight, then try to use some smaller needle nose pliers and just spin it out and get these ones right here. So, and just spin it out. You'll be able to. You just gotta work with this coolant hose. Show you this one, for example, is loose right there. So yeah, it's definitely a pain, a big pain, and I jacked it up pretty high, I would say. So yeah, but these are, as soon as you get these bolts out, I think it's like 6 of them here up front that are so hard to get to, and then the rest will be easy. You'll take out the oil pan. Okay, so these bolts in the front are out. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this jack, or lower this jack. Gonna add a little bit of RTV to this. All right, guys, this is the next day, and the oil pan is all installed. Oil pan gasket installed, brand new, and also the little bit of gasket maker that I added is already dry. So we're gonna go ahead and pour fresh oil into this thing. It's gonna take about, I think, 7 or 8 liters of oil. I'm gonna use the 2050. Yeah, the oil filter is brand new as well, so we're gonna go ahead and start on that, and then have to start working on some other things in this car. Also, guys, thanks so much for watching and supporting my channel. This means a lot, and I hope you guys can share this video with your friends, and let's keep saving classic cars, because they're making them like they used to.